Alright, so we got the tear. Brian is gonna sew it and shoe glue it. We got the wrinkle out of here. And we'll go from there.
Well, now I feel good because now I know I won't drop the needle.
And you're using fishing line to sew this?
Yeah, 36-pound fishing lines. Okay. Okay, now it's snug as a bug in a rug. There we go. Hi, Mom. How you doing, Mom?
Your mom would be proud. You actually sewed a tear in an awning. Of course, I had to get it on camera that you were actually sewing.
I've been sewing for decades,
Really now?
young lady. Yeah, because... All right. Now I got to shoe glue it so it doesn't leak. Of course, I guess this, because this string is actually really good because it is fish line. It's pretty good stuff. Seems to be pretty good stuff.
So now we're going to shoe glue it?
I'm going to get some shoe glue and a latex glove so I can dip it in water and rub it on there. Get it all nice and squiggly. And that should hold for a while. The next big wind when we got the awning out.
Right?
I think that's what did it. Would you concur?
I would. So what is that you're putting on there right now?
It's shoe glue. It's basically a all-purpose glue.
Let me see it. Shoe glue.
Yeah, it's to repair shoes. Works great with canvas though. Watching those skateboarders, and you dip your finger in water so you can spread it around. Without it sticking to you.
Should we put some on the underneath side too? Or you think
Well, it's squeezing through the
strings?
strings, yeah.
Okay.
This stuff's pretty cool stuff. And when it dries, it'll form a bond and
It'll be flexible?
it'll be somewhat flexible, but it'll also be water resistant. Just like that. Let it dry. That's how easy it is. See, we did where's the other patch at that we did? That's this one right here, right? With the dirt on it. We did this patch with the shoe glue.
That was probably about a year ago we did that, wasn't it?
It's looking really good. Okay, let it dry.
Okay.
be good to go.